In today's quick video, you're gonna learn how to make cauliflower rice using a cheese grater. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Laura, also known as the Internet Mom that will teach you to cook for yourself and your family with simple and fresh recipes. While there are several ways to turn cauliflower into rice, in this video, I'm only showing you how to do it with a cheese grater, but I will link the other videos for you as well as some great recipes. Now, the first thing you want to do is chop your cauliflower into large pieces so they're easier to hold when grating. Using the sides with the largest holes, I just go up and down and simply grate it or shred it just like this. The result is fine, rice-like texture that cooks really fast. If you're not cooking it right away, transfer it into a bowl and refrigerate it for cooking it later. By the way, give this video a thumbs up if you're finding it helpful and want me to make more of these simple how-to videos that will make cooking easier for you. You can also store the cauliflower rice in a zip bag. I'm using a paper towel to absorb some of the moisture, and all you have to do is fill it with your riced cauliflower, remove the air in the bag, seal it, and keep it in your fridge for up to 3 days. In the freezer without the paper towel for up to 3 months. A quick tip is to freeze it in 2 to 4 cup measurements so it's easy to thaw and use in your favorite recipes. Now, I'm gonna make sure that you have a few of my tried and true cauliflower rice recipes for you in the description box below, and I hope to see you in another video since I share a few of them a few times a week. See you next time.